Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we're breaking down the one and only Turbo. Love to see it. We're going to be breaking this down from a fundamental perspective and also a technical analysis perspective. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you price targets and price predictions that we could be targeting for this lovely bull run. The next 6 to 12 months, how high could this asset go? We're going to be covering it in this video. Let me know what you think of the video in the comment section and drop a little like if you're feeling it as well. Okay, before we get into this, guys, go check out MemeBet. It's basically a meme-based casino where they're going to be offering essentially they're going to be offering popular games like blackjack, like craps, like sports betting, and basically everything that stake.com offers. We know how successful stake.com has been. MemeBet Casino is essentially the same sort of thing, but it's going to actually have a coin attached to it, and it's primarily built for people trading and playing and gambling, degenning their meme coin portfolios. Super bullish, super profitable. Definitely want to be looking out for there. They have raised $464,000 in their pre-sale as well, so it's definitely something that you should go check out. Links are in the description. Now let's get back to Turbo, and let's break Turbo down together. So Turbo is on a screamer right now, okay? It's an absolute screamer with a market cap of around $734 million, up around 30.56% here in the last day. Yes, you heard that correctly. The last 24 hours, it's grown 30%. Unbelievable stuff. Very, very good. It's quite ironic having the name called Turbo, and it's basically Turbo launching to the moon right now. Okay, volume is up 113% in the last 24 hours. If that's not bullish, I don't know what is. Now, what I'm really thinking for this coin right now, I'm gonna say it. It's $1 billion market cap, guys. I really think the next target here for Turbo is $1 billion market cap, and I will show you on the chart to why. And you can see just generally this chart on CMC of how good this actually looks right now from just a general progressive standpoint. Okay, probably maybe a little bit of a pullback is due to us banging it 30% today, but being at 700 million market cap is a very, very strong level, and it is very, very it's a confidence building thing to see Bitcoin probably pulling back today, and Turbo absolutely on a screamer of around 30%. So very bullish on that front. Now let's get into the chart here for Turbo and break down some bull market predictions as to where we think this asset could be going. Okay, so let's have a little look here. You can see here, as I said, this chart looking very, very, very positive here, breaking all-time highs today here, and looking really, really, really good. It's on an absolute screamer. It's on a breakout right now. Now, the key resistance points that I want to talk to you guys about is this lovely, lovely trend line from the initial first wave up here on Mexi, the second wave up to the new all-time high, and then we're looking for a third wave. The third wave will usually mean rejection around this area, guys. So please be aware there is quite a high chance that we could see a heavy pullback from this zone. Now, it does have to pump another 30% for that to happen. So ideally what I'm looking for here for Turbo is a consolidation zone. Okay, we want a consolidation zone in this area, and what that means is we just needed to chill the F out, okay? If it chills the F out and then takes a leg up, then the resistance from this area won't be that strong. But if it keeps on going parabolic, and parabolic means when it goes completely vertical up to the sky here, it only has to, it can only come down when it does that, guys. It can't just keep going up. So if that does happen and it gets to this level here, it's going to get rejected really heavily. So just be prepared for that, guys. And also, as I said, it's another 30% move, so it's quite unlikely that does happen. But what we do want here is that consolidatory period. If you are looking for an entry for this asset, please look at this as a retest zone. Okay, this is the retest zone that I want to talk about. It is this green box here. You can see this is the buying areas that we spoke about in previous Turbo videos here on Crypto News, and you can see the money was made. The DCA strategy worked perfectly. Okay, and this is what we're going to be looking for our new retest zone. Naturally, when we break all-time highs, pretty much every single time we come down and retest previous all-time highs. Okay, so that is basically what is going to be happening here, coming down for another around 20% here. As you can see, we have seen a bit of a rejection of around 13% from the all-time high. Now, if we do come down any lower and come down for 31%. This is pure juice. This area is like buying Google before Google. Not quite that much, but it's basically a perfect DCA zone here. And what you notice from a really nice uptrend like so, guys, you see this lovely pullback. Okay, we need consolidation, pullback, breaking highs. That is the perfect trend. And right now we have seen the move to the upside, the move to the upside, the pullback. Probably going to see a pullback. Okay, when we see this pullback, if we can get to this zone, we're going to be buying the hell out of this asset and riding this bad boy all the way up for more gains. Okay, from a futures perspective as well. Let me know what you think in the comment section of Turbo, and whether you're going to be getting involved with this potential position. How high and how much is this position worth? An 84% trade, guys. It's not a small bad boy. It's big dog stuff. Okay, so definitely go check it out. And that is going to be it from me in terms of covering Turbo. Or is it? No, it's not. We're going to be looking at price predictions. As I said, we would. Price predictions for Turbo would be basically, as discussed, $1 billion market cap as the next target. So let's have a little look on the chart here for that, and that will probably be roughly, if we are currently $700 million market cap, we're probably going to be looking at around a 30 or 40% move to get us to that $1 billion, and that basically lines it up there perfectly. So we'll use that as our next target. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.